We all like to stay connected, but a new cell phone policy has Rochester students hanging up their devices at school. The district enacted the rules this year, changing the way kids can handle devices while on campus. KIMT News 3's Maureen Dudley is dialing in to see if the policy is increasing communication between talkative teens and teachers.
At the beginning of the school year, Rochester Public Schools had a new policy in place for cell phones. Students had to put their cell phones away during instruction time. I spoke with the district about how this policy has been doing.
I think students have really risen to the occasion, and we have not seen a lot of challenges in terms of implementation of the policy. I think that they're missing their phones, but I think they're also recognizing that there's some advantage to having them away during the school day.
She says the teachers are enjoying classrooms free of the constant clicks and dings of notifications.
I think staff largely have been very supportive and appreciative of the consistency, so they're not feeling like one classroom expectation competes with another classroom expectation. I think when we have consistent expectations for kids, that they're able to follow those expectations more uniformly.
In RPS high schools, students can still phone a friend during passing periods. Middle and elementary school students aren't allowed to use their smartphones at all during the day.
In all levels, they should have them put away during instruction. I think the idea is that the more time that they, or the more focus that they have during the instruction, the more takeaway they have from that in the educational capacity.
It's too soon to tell if the cell phone policy has boosted students' scores.
We haven't had an end of a grading period yet, but definitely teachers and staff are reporting increased engagement. So we would expect that learning would increase when kids are more focused on what's happening in the classroom.
The end of the semester for the district is January 23rd. In Rochester, Maureen Dudley, KIMT News 3.
The district is getting feedback on the policy from parents and students throughout the next few months. Then RPS plans to make the revised rules permanent by the state law deadline in March.